It all started with an idea. The idea of bringing people together. We manufacture lifts without limits. And we do so by innovating together. We always strive to do better. And we have fun doing it. Because we believe that great products are created in great work environments. At Cibes Lift Group, we're always looking for ways to make our processes more efficient and safe for our employees, for our customers, and for the environment. We take pride in manufacturing high-quality lifts, packed mindfully, and delivered right to your doorstep, regardless of where you are in the world. We live by the idea that building bridges across levels and generations makes the world a better place to connect and enjoy life together with those who matter. That's why, since 1947, we've been in the business of bringing people together.